What if I told you that scientists have created tiny living robots that can heal themselves, work together, and even reproduce? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's happening right now. Welcome to the world of synthetic organisms, where biology meets technology to create life forms with endless possibilities. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how these living machines could change medicine, clean up pollution, and even reshape the future of humanity.
Bonjour, everyone. I'm here to take you deep into the science behind synthetic organisms, their real-world applications, and the ethical questions they raise. Let's begin.
So let's break it down. A synthetic organism is a living system that has been designed and engineered in a lab, often using genetic modification or computer-designed biological components. These aren't just genetically modified plants or bacteria. We're talking about entirely new life forms crafted from scratch.
A famous example? The Xenobot. Scientists at Tufts University and the University of Vermont used frog stem cells to create tiny programmable organisms that can move, work together, and even repair themselves. Think of them as biological robots, except they're alive.
Now, creating a synthetic organism isn't as simple as mixing a few chemicals in a beaker. It involves cutting-edge techniques like synthetic biology, CRISPR gene editing, and AI-driven design. Scientists start with living cells, often from animals or bacteria, and program them with specific instructions, kind of like writing a biological code.
For example, AI models simulate how cells interact and form structures. Then scientists use tiny scalpels like micro-robots to shape these cells into functional biological machines. It's like three-dimensional printing, but with life itself.
Alright, now let's get to the exciting part. How can these living machines actually help us? Here are some mind-blowing applications.
Imagine a future where synthetic organisms could heal wounds, deliver drugs precisely where needed, or even fight cancer cells inside your body. Xenobots, for example, could one day be used to clear plaque from arteries, or deliver targeted treatments without side effects.
Pollution is a huge problem, right? But what if tiny, biodegradable robots could eat up toxic waste and plastic in our oceans? Scientists are already designing bacteria-based synthetic organisms that break down oil spills and microplastics without harming the environment.
Agriculture is another sector that could be transformed. Synthetic microbes can enrich soil, protect crops from pests naturally, and even create fertilizers that don't harm the ecosystem. This means healthier food and less environmental damage.
And here's something straight out of science fiction. Synthetic organisms could help us survive on Mars. Scientists are developing bioengineered microbes that could convert Martian soil into fertile ground or generate oxygen from carbon dioxide. So, when we finally settle on the red planet, we might just have synthetic life to thank for it.
As promising as synthetic organisms are, they raise serious ethical and safety concerns. What if they evolve in unexpected ways? Could they escape into the wild and disrupt ecosystems? And should humans really be creating new life forms?
Great questions. Scientists are actively debating these issues. Regulations are being developed to ensure these technologies are used safely and responsibly. But the fact remains, once we start creating life, the possibilities and consequences are endless. So what's next for synthetic organisms? Well, researchers are pushing boundaries every day. Future advancements could lead to self-replicating nanobots, living sensors that monitor health in real time, and even bioengineered ecosystems designed to sustain life in extreme environments. We're only at the beginning.
Indeed. Whether synthetic organisms become the next big breakthrough or pose unforeseen risks, one thing is certain. We are entering an era where biology and technology merge like never before.
Excited tone. So, what do you think? Are synthetic organisms the key to a better future, or are we playing with forces we don't fully understand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing science content. See you next time.
Merci for watching. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious. Au revoir.
Subscribe for more futuristic tech insights. Watch our video on AI-powered robots next.